Look at the kingfisher. It lives near rivers and ponds. Fish is its main food. That is why the kingfisher stays close to water. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Goats eat grass. Deer and rabbits also feed on plants. Grasshoppers eat leaves. These animals are called plant-eating animals.
Look at the pond. Many living things live here. Small fishes swim among water plants. Frogs, fishes, and birds share. A pond is home to many organisms. Living things depend on one another for food. A grasshopper eats plants. A frog eats the grasshopper. Small fishes are eaten by larger fishes. Many food relationships exist in nature. Plants, insects, fishes, birds, and animals are connected. These connections form a food web. Living things depend on one another for food. In the ocean, living things are also connected by food relationships. Plankton are tiny plants that float in water. Small fishes feed on plankton. Many sea animals depend. Ocean organisms depend on one another for survival. Plankton are the producers in the sea. Small fishes feed on plankton. Sea turtles, sardines, and sharks. Living things need certain conditions to survive. Fish need water, sunlight, ants, and air. Other organisms in the pond also depend on. A habitat contains both living and non-living things. Fish, frogs, plants, and birds are living things. Sunlight, air, soil, and rocks are non-living things. A biodiversity garden is home to many living things. Different plants, insects, birds, and animals live together here. They depend on sunlight, water. Every living thing has a suitable place to live. This place is called its habitat. Different organisms live in different habitats. A habitat provides food, water. Different organisms live in different habitats. Grasslands, forests, deserts, ponds, and rivers provide suitable living conditions for many organisms. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Goats feed on grass, leaves, and grains. Food habits vary from one organism to another. The tiger is one of the top animals in the food web. Deer feed on plants and tigers feed on deer. Each organism has an important role. What happens if tigers disappear from a habitat? The number of deer increases, no tigers to control their population. As more deer feed on plants, all organisms in a food web are connected. A change in the number of one organism can affect many others. When the balance is disturbed, the entire ecosystem is affected. The African catfish is an invasive fish. It grows and multiplies very quickly. It feeds on native fishes in the pond. Since there are few natural enemies to control it, the balance of the A food chain shows a single sequence of feeding relationships. Each organism gets food from the one before it. Energy passes from one organism to another through the food chain. Many food chains exist in nature. Most food chains begin with plants. Plants provide food energy for other organisms. Different food chains can be found in forests. Leaves are arranged in different ways on different plants. This arrangement helps the leaves receive maximum sunlight. Sunlight is important because plants need it to make food through photosynthesis. The atmosphere contains different gases. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are important. Plants use carbon dioxide. Like all living things, plants also respire. Leaves have tiny pores called stomata. Stomata help in the exchange of gases. Carbon dioxide enters through stomata. Oxygen and water vapor move out. Some plants live on other plants. Vanda is an epiphyte. It grows on trees but does not harm them. Loranthus is a semi-parasite. It takes water and minerals from the host plant. Living and non-living things are connected. Habitats provide food, water, and shelter. Food chains link organisms together. Plants make food through photosynthesis. Children, today's lesson comes to an end. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Toppers for more fun learning videos.